Momotaro, a hero in the digital era. Once upon a time, in a small town, an old man and an old woman lived together. My grandfather was a former programmer and my grandmother ran an online shop. One day, when my grandfather was taking a walk in the park, a shiny wagon-shaped robot flowed from the river. When the old man picked up the robot, a cute boy came out of it. The child calls himself Momotaro and says that he came from another world with the power of digital. He decided to recruit his friends to defeat the monsters that are annoying the people living in this town. Momotaro first posted friend recruitment on SNS. Then, many opinions and messages were immediately received. He was friends with the dog-shaped robot Pochi who worked at his grandmother's online shop, the monkey-shaped robot Monkey who is good at duel games, and the pheasant-type drone pheasant that can fly in the sky. Momotaro and his friends headed to the internet forest where the monsters lived. There, the monsters infected with the virus were doing bad. Momotaro uses the latest technology and cooperates with his friends to confront monsters. Pochi hacked remotely to seal the monster's movements, and the monkey took advantage of the game's skills to defeat the enemy, and the pheasant monitored from the sky and provided an advanced strategy. Momotaro combines the team's strength and overcomes numerous trials. Finally, it became a battle with the Virus Emperor, the big boss of the monsters. Momotaro worked with his friends to reverse analyze and neutralize the Virus Emperor's program. The town became peaceful again, and people praised Momotaro and others as heroes. Grandpa and Grandma are proud of raising Momotaro, and Momotaro will work hard to build a new future with everyone. Momotaro, who decided to use the power of digital to create a better society, is still watching over the town. The end.